Trunk ceiling strip installation location. The trunk installation location is on both sides of the cabin and the bottom of the trunk.
Trunk seal strip installation steps. First, wipe the installation location clean. Apply adhesion promoter. The installation will start in about 1 minute. Mainly installed on the left and right sides of the trunk. Case stand install along the edge of the car body until it is installed under the rear taillight. After installation is complete, remove the redundant positions. After confirming, press firmly to make it fit tightly with the car body. Use P-type sealing strips. Install the bottom edge of the trunk lid. Please pay attention. When installing thin edge facing out, the adhesive backing closely fits the outer edge of the car body. After installation, remove the excess parts. After confirming, press the sealing strip firmly. Ensure a tight fit with the vehicle body.